Model, 1998 Peugeot Boxer 270M 1.9TD coach-built motorhome, spares repairs cheap. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 98,749. MOT, the 18th of January 2025. Engine, 1905 cc L2VX XMGP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs, but it is diesel knocking and has black smoke. It will need at least one injector replacing. Condition summary, this has obvious front damage so will need repairing. This will be a cheap repair. Features, HPI, Cat S in 2024. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.